How to retrieve deleted messages on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, navigate to your profile page right here, and from here click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on your activity, and on this page right here scroll all the way down till you find a section that says information you shared with Instagram, and from there click on download your information. You will be redirected to this page right here, where you will be able to request a download of your information. These information include everything you do on Instagram, from the posting, the messaging, the sharing, the websites you visit, every single thing you do in Instagram. So once you are on this page, from the first section that says download your information, click on the button that says request a download, and here you have two options. You can download a complete copy of everything you do on Instagram, or you can download a few selected types of information. So click on there. This will allow us to only select messages, as that's what we want for the sake of this video. Here, as you can see, it shows you your profile, and here it gives you the information type that you can use. As you can see, there are comments, media, uh, the login info, the research, everything. But what we want is we want the messages. So let's go ahead and select that one. Once you do that, click on next to continue. And here it gives you the email and the format and the media quality. So go ahead and play around with them if you want. And then click submit request. Now, as you can see, here it says pending download, meaning that your requested information has been sent to Instagram, and Instagram will notify you when they are ready to be downloaded. Now, depending on the size of your file and how many messages and conversation it has, it might take different timing for each person. However, I have already requested one, so I don't waste your time. And once it's ready, it will give you something like this. It will says available downloads, and you will find the requested files. So let's go ahead and click to download. Here, Instagram will ask you to enter your password as confirmation, so go ahead and do that. Once you have entered your password, click continue. Now you will be directed to a browser so you can download the file. It will be a zip file containing all of the messaging that you have done on Instagram. So let's wait for the file to be downloaded, and let's open it. Now, as I said, it will be a zip file, as you can see, so go ahead and extract it. And here you will see this folder that says messages, so click on it and click on inbox. And here you will find all of the messages that you have take on Instagram, person by person. As you can see, different persons right here. So let me go ahead and click on any one of them, and it will open this like a browser page for you to see your conversation. As you can see right here, it will contain all of the conversation, including the deleted or unsent messages. It will also, this file right here, include all of the conversations that you might have deleted. It will contain the secret conversations. the chats, the message request, as you can see, every single thing, every single chat or conversation that you had on Instagram, you will find it here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can recover deleted messages on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.